Well, hello everybody, Bronson here with Bright Star Auctions. We have a Freightliner, 2009 Freightliner dump truck here for our June 28th equipment auction, Michigan equipment auction. It's a no reserve auction. This will have a new home. It will sell to the high bidder. They will be the happy new owner. This is from a local municipality, good dump truck here. It's got the belly plow underneath. As you can see, the dump box is in good working condition. Does have a multi-way rear gate on it with the chute. Tandem axles in the back. Obviously, this has a gross vehicle weight rating of 56,540 pounds. Powered by a Cummins ISC-300. That's a 300 horsepower engine. That is backed by the automatic Allison transmission. As you can see, the belly plow right there is in operating condition. This truck only has 156,000 miles on it, and that is all. It's selling, like I said, June 28th to the highest bidder here at the Michigan Equipment Auction. We'd love to see you there. Thank you.